Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to cook brown stew chicken. After you eat this chicken, trust me, you're going to be dancing. That's how good it is. This is all the ingredients and I'm going to be listing the recipe below. Alright, here I am with my chopped seasonings. I have my onion, my bell pepper, my tomatoes, my scotch bonnet pepper, and my garlic. Scotch bonnet is a must. Let's begin. I already cleaned my chicken, so here I am washing it with vinegar and water. Because to me, the more you wash the chicken, is the nicest it is when you cook it. You must wash your chicken clean. And when you cook it, nice. Look how clean it is now, ready for the seasoning. I also gonna add some ground spices like black pepper and all-purpose seasoning. And I throw back in all the ingredients. Now I'm rubbing it in, rubbing all the ingredients that you see I put back. I rub it, make sure it's nice and all the seasoning go up on all of the chicken. Because when you eat this chicken, trust me man, to the bone, you're gonna love it. So I make sure it's nicely rubbing with the seasoning. Now I'm gonna refrigerate it for 2 hours. Then I get my pot, make sure it's nice and hot. I love to use Dutch pot. I put my oil and I put in my chicken one piece at a time. Because you have to make sure the chicken brown on both sides. Man, I love brown stew chicken, you know. And everybody always asks me, how you get your chicken like this? How it tastes so good? Now you guys can see. Here it is, nice and brown. Because I flip it and it's pretty. I'm going to cook it down now. I'm going to throw back all the ingredients in it. Then I'm going to add some water. And I had my browning. Make it nice. I love browning. If you guys use browning for anything else, let me know. I'm also going to add some ketchup. Because that make the brown stew really good. I had some more water with some more browning. And then I'm going to put some breadcrumbs to make this gravy thick. I don't like when the gravy watery. Because it make the chicken not make taste good for rice at all. You have to put in the gravy, make it have that nice body. Then I stir it up good. You know, everything get a little of the browning business beside it. Alright. And I cover it up and I'm gonna make it stay there on the stove now for about 30 to 40 minutes. You guys check on it still, you know. This is how it should look after you cook it down. Wow, so nice. You can eat this with anything. Thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful holiday. See you in my next video. Bye.